Hi, I'm Jaya, and this is a story about old family photos. In the cozy living room of their home in Kirikiriroa, Aria and Rohan gathered around Nani as she flipped through an old photo album. Come, my little explorers, and let me take you on a magical journey, Nani smiled. The first picture was of Nani standing beneath towering mountains, her beautiful scarf fluttering in the breeze. Wow, Nani, where is this? Rohan asked. Nani chuckled. That's my homeland, Pakistan. And these are the foothills of the Himalayas. The next page revealed pictures of Nani arriving in Aotearoa. Aria gasped. Is that where we live now, Nani? Yes, my dear. Aotearoa became a new chapter in our family's adventures, Nani explained. They continued flipping through the album and saw Nani all over the world. It's like you've been on a treasure hunt, Nani, Rohan exclaimed. Nani smiled. And the greatest treasure has always been the friends I've made along the way. As the last page turned, Aria sighed happily. Nani, you've been to so many wonderful places. Nani hugged them close. And now, little ones, my greatest adventure is right here at home, creating memories with you. The end. I love reading with you.